abilities yet reap all the benefits? Arrogance has gotten you this far. You seem to have all the answers, Sanchez. So please, do go on. Very well. Your service with law enforcement is hereby terminated.
Okay.
The surgery to remove your suit has been scheduled.
You can't just...
And you will return your effects. That includes your issued firearms.
No!
Which will be deactivated and scrubbed of your prints. Both you, your colleague, and your ship will be detained and decontaminated before you are free to leave. As for payment, it will be honored once Primary Red confirms its delivery. Is that clear, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes. Yes, Commander Tezzoree, ma'am.
Your endling status may give you some leniency, but it does not make you immune to the laws of this galaxy. You do well to remember that.
Shrike, what are you doing? We gotta get Booty.
Who?
That little Lithoff. You named him.
I thought you said there were no more.
I said there was one left.
So what?
So what? Shrike, he's all alone.
Then you should get used to it!